Right, today I'm going to talk about personal tax. What should, in theory, and may in the future be a straightforward issue, but today is still quite overly complicated because the HMRC computer doesn't always work. So, say someone's earning, for example, over £100,000, good position to be in, then you've got to provide the employment details. Usually a P60, might be multiple employment. Is the tax code right? Is there a P11D? Is there any other income? Property and so on, dividends, interest, gift aid, pension, etc. Now, where this sort of simple topic goes a bit wrong is with what is known as the staircase. Now, the staircase between 100 and 125,000, and what happens there is you lose your tax-free allowance. So you get to 125, no tax-free allowance. I did have a case with a client a few years ago. His basic was 100, his bonus was 25, and out of that 25, he only got 10 grand, because what happens is you're effectively taxed at about 60% on that money. So he wasn't too happy because he thought he would get to keep more of his bonus, but that's what happens, because effectively you're being taxed on that money at a higher rate, and you also at the same time you're losing your personal allowance. So all this comes into consideration. It's quite a lot of work, and it's not necessarily the mechanics of it which is more straightforward, but the confidence in having an accountant submit that for you, and also the hassle not having to submit the tax return, plus it's right, plus there's certain questions that come to mind. Why do I have a tax liability if I'm just employed, or why do I have a refund? Those kind of questions come up, so we're here for discussion, and I just wanted to share. Thank you.